Stop solving problems the hard way. Introducing the BAB framework. Before, after, bridge. Whether you're chasing runaway projects, juggling supply chain chaos, or buried in stale sales reports, this method takes you from chaos to clarity in minutes. Here's how it works. Before, describe the current or initial situation or problem. After, clarify the desired future state or outcome. Bridge, outline how to get from before to after. Used by project managers, supply chain pros, and data analysts who want to stop scrambling and start steering and ready to lead with strategy. Want to see the BAB method in action? Join Dr. Hala El-Awarak for a 4-hour virtual workshop on AI and BPR applications. Sign up now at HLearn.ca.